centsys remote for a gate. All the remotes have the same feature to say that the battery is flat. If you press either one of the buttons, press and hold, you will see that the light flashes. When the light flashes on these remotes, it tells you that the battery is flat. You get your remote out of here, you hold your thumb on the top, you just hold it as I am, with your thumb and your index finger, twist. You can see at the back here, you've got a little slot in your remote there. It's the only place you've got a slot. There are no other places, as you can see. What you've got to do is put your thumbnail in there and your fingernails, pry it open. You heard it pop open. That is your remote inside. You can see your battery is here. Again, roll it for friction. These batteries are readily available from Checkers. You can get them at Spar. You can get them at Pick and Pay. They are at Hardwares. You can get them all over. They are readily available. If you go into a store and you ask for a gate remote battery, this is what they will give you. Okay, now going back to the remote. You can see on this side there's a little piece of wire. That's a contact on this battery. And on this side you've got a little spring. Now with it dropping and things like that, and actually squashing the spring, you can just stretch this little spring a little bit. Use a screwdriver and stretch the spring. Not too much, just make sure that it's shorter than the battery. You can even move that forward and bend it up a little bit. Take your new battery, put it in your remote, reverse your action, look at what your remote, study your remote, see how everything fits together. Put your cover on. There you go, your cover is back on. Your remote is in one piece. Now you put your holder, your keyring holder for your remote. You put it back in, you can see it's not sliding. The little ring is clipped into the other ring. Twist it. There you go.